For soul. Today we are diving into something truly transformative. How you can use numerology to plan your 2025. And whether you are new to numerology or you're looking to deepen your practice, I will guide you through how to align your goals and intentions with the energies of the year ahead. I have a free PDF for you to download, and you might want to pause, download the guide, and tune in because I will guide you through that exact process. And it's an interactive PDF, so you can document everything in the PDF. And if you're new to numerology, I recommend you to watch the first second. If not, you can skip to the last part. Links and timestamps are in the description. So, why do we use numerology to plan your year ahead? Numerology offers us insights into our life path and the themes for each year, and even the energy of each month. It's like having a cosmic guide to help you navigate your journey, make empowered decisions, and manifest your desires. Numerology can help you to understand your life's purpose and align with your natural cycles of the universe so you can live with more flow, ease, and intention. By knowing your unique numbers, you can set goals that resonate with your soul's and heart's journey and tap into the energies that support your growth. Let's start with your life path number. This is like the blueprint of your soul. It reveals your purpose, strength, and core lessons you are here to learn. If you don't know your life path number yet, don't worry, it's super easy to calculate. You just add up all the digits of your birthday until you get a single digit number, unless it's a master number, an 11, 22 or 33. But in the description I will link you videos to calculate your life path number, and in my free PDF guide you will find as well a detailed explanation. Knowing your life path number helps you to understand what drives you, so you can set intentions that align with your deeper purpose in 2025. It gives you that soul alignment. Now let's talk about your personal year number. This number reveals the theme of the year for you. It's like a guiding energy that influences your experiences and opportunities. To find your personal year number, simply add your birthday month to the universal year, which is 2025 for the upcoming year. So, for example, if you are in a personal year 5 in 2025, get ready for change, freedom, adventure. If you are in a personal year 2, focus on partnership, patience, and balance. I will link your calculator in the description, and it's again in my free PDF. And again, I have a video on the personal year, so you can get as well an idea about your theme in 2025. But it doesn't stop here. You can take even further into understanding your personal month numbers. Each month carries its own energy, and that helps you to fine-tune your plans and intentions on a month-to-month basis. So you simply add your personal year number to the current month number. So let's say you're in a personal year 5, in January you're in a personal month number 6. Knowing your personal month number is a great way to plan your projects, to set goals intentionally. And it's even a good plan to set self-care moments and health moments in your month. For example, when you are in a personal month 4, it's perfect for organizing, setting solid foundations, reorganizing, and working. A month 3 is all about creativity, self-expression, and having fun and going on adventures. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. 2025 is a universal year 9, which means we are all collectively in a cycle of endings, completions, and letting go. It's a powerful time to releasing what no longer serves us so we can make space for new beginnings and reinventing ourselves for the next cycle in 2026. Remember, we are all connected. The energy you put out into the world affects the collective. So, as you plan your 2025, think about how you can contribute to the greater good and how you can connect with your higher self. So, now we're diving into the fun part, how to plan your 2025 using numerology. I call upon now to download, if you haven't already, the free PDF so you can follow along and we're having a blast together. Now comes the fun and interactive part, planning your 2025 using the free numerology guide I created just for you. This guide includes everything you need to align with the energies of the new year, including the 2025 numerology wheel I created myself, and monthly reflection sheets and space to fill in your unique numbers. So you have a personalized guide, internal compass, so to say, for 2025. So let's explore the 2025 numerology wheel. In the PDF you see I have a lot of extra information for you and as well space to fill out your personalized numbers. 2025 wheel is one of the most powerful tools in the guide. It breaks the year into 12 months, allowing you to align each one with the themes of your personal month numbers. Here's how to use it. Start by calculating your personal year number and fill it out in the middle of the wheel. Then you follow by calculating your personal month numbers. Don't worry, instructions are in the guide, but basically it's your personal year plus a personal month, and you can fill out here interactively every month. Once you filled out all the numbers in the wheel, you have a great overview over the full year ahead, and you can see which numbers are peeking out in your 2025 numerology wheel, because in purple you can see the collective energy of the month and of the year, of course, which is a number 9 this case. So for example, in the wheel which is calculated with my personal numbers, you can see I am going through a personal year 5 in 2025, which is a year of change. So there will come profound change. And how can I see now which months will be super, super important for me for change? In that, so to say, the peak month will be September, because in September you can see I am having a personal month 5, which is again the energy of change, and September is the number 9, and the collective energy is in September as well, the number 9, which means that the change this month, September, will be intensely, as 9 is a collective year number for all of us, and we are all connected with a collective energy. My life path is a number 7, and here you can see as well in February I'm going to have a personal month 7, and in November I will have a personal month 7 as well. So for example, February will be for me a good month to go within, to reflect on where am I standing right now and where do I want to go. Am I on the right path? It's as well a good month to stay in solitude and to be really focused on myself. Months, for example, like July, which is the 7 collective energy, which reflects my life path number 7, and the 3, I'm a 34/7, is as well in my life path number, and the 3 month is a great month to go out, socialize, have fun. So the month July could be for me on a personal level a great month to go on some vacation, go on a trip, have a little bit more fun than usual, and break eventually the routines a little bit more than usual. So this is how you can use the personal 2025 wheel. And don't worry, it can look at the first look quite intimidating, and I know this is a very deep dive, and especially if in case you're new to numerology, that might seem a little bit overwhelming. If you need help with the wheel, you are always free to book a personal 2025 reading with me, because there I will give you the analysis of your personal numbers, of your life path number, and as well your birthday number. After you concern yourself with your own personal numbers and as well in detail with the collective numbers, it's a good step to jump to the reflection section I have in your 2025 guide and to find insights from within. So we're going to start with that you ask yourself, what habits or what patterns are you ready to release in 2025, and just journal them down, release them here in the guide on paper. And next, to really clarify on your intentions for 2025, to clarify with the knowledge you have now about your personal year, that you can set attention accordingly. Like I said, in my example, I'm going through a personal year 5, which is all about change and freedom and inner freedom. And for me, for example, that could be that I set my intentions to be open for new opportunities, that I am open for travel, that I am open to be more spontaneous and to just go with the flow. The 5 is as well the number for communication, so that I improve my communication skill. So take some time to fill out the whole reflection section, clarify what you want to bring in the world, reflect as well what's stuck from your personal year number in your mind, and just take some time as well. Eventually write some things here in the vision board I have in the reflection question, so that you become more clear what's important for you in certain sections in your life right now. This is your chance to dream big and focus on what truly lightens you up. Whether it's starting a new career, traveling, deepening relationships, or launching a creative project, write it down and let the universe support you in making it happen. Now, the last step is to use the monthly reflection sheets, which I have as well here in the guide. You can fill out for each month your personal your personal year number and your personal month number. So you get a great opportunity to find out about polarities and similarities between the collective and your personal energy. And yes, that might sound a little bit complex on the first view, but ultimately using this numerology oriented reflection sheet helps you to connect with the numbers on a deeper level and to already start studying the numbers a little bit. So how you could approach this sheet would be that you do a little bit research on what the number 1 means. So the number 1 in January as a collective energy stands for new beginnings, which is starting the new year. It stands for taking action. It stands for being bold and courageous. So hopefully you reflected in December on where you want to keep going in your life and what's important for you for 2025, so you can in January already pick up with that new beginning. It's very favorable from the collective energies. And as a personal month 6, The 6 stands for love, family, as well as self-care. And that's now depending on, of course, your own situation. What do I associate with the energy of my personal month number? So for me, what's right now very present is that I want to connect more with my feminine side, and that will be, for example, more through the practice of dancing. I want to dance more and learn to move my body really feminine. So a lot about feminine energy. I want to tap in more, and as well a lot more about love and heart centeredness, that I focus on really leading my life from my heart. Then, knowing the numerology, I can set my intentions for January. And as it's a new start, new beginnings, I really want to take the intention of leading from my heart for the whole January, connecting with my heart desires. And that could be, for example, a beautiful invitation for me to connect with my soul urge number. And that's the number 1, which is all about independence. So that can be a brilliant topic for me as well. Indeed, there you can see, you can go really deep with this monthly reflection sheet. Then you can fill out here a gratitude list. What am I grateful for? I'm very grateful for my partner, for my body, my gym, and my trainer, all of you here I'm connected with on YouTube, things. And then I would write down here, after the month is over, the highlights of my month and what I learned in January. So we really try to focus here on the positive with this guide, and we really try to hone in on our achievements, because often we are way too critical with ourselves, and this guide will help us to be more compassionate and loving with ourselves, which is the whole topic of the 9 year for all of us. This whole guide is not just a one-time quick fix. This guide I really conceptualized for you to guide you through the whole year, to especially gain clarity now to the end of the year, to connect deeper with numerology, with your personal year numbers, and to connect deeper with yourself. The guide is designed to grow with you, so use it as a companion throughout the year to stay aligned with your highest potential. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Let's make 2025 a year of clarity, intention, and transformation together. Thank you so much for watching and joining me for this interactive session. I hope this video inspires you to use numerology to plan your 2025 intentionally and with clarity. Don't forget to leave me a comment here if you enjoyed the session, if you have any questions or you need any further guidance for the new year. And remember, I offer as well personalized numerology readings if you want to look deeper and want a tailored, unique reading. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and much love, blessings, joy, and bliss for the upcoming year 2025.